You're not stuck because of bad genetics. You're not stuck because you don't have the right pre-workout. You're stuck because you're making the same silent, progress-killing mistakes every average gym bro makes, and you don't even know it. 6 invisible killers are murdering your gains right now. 6 invisible killers are murdering your gains. The 4 that will gains the no day is that gym bro a little people where you're in and you don't even know. 6 invisible killers are murdering your gains. 6 invisible killers are murdering your in and you don't even know. Just invisible killers are murdering. You're stuck because you don't have the right pre-workout. You're stuck because you don't have the right pre-workout. You're stuck because you don't have the right pre-workout. You're stuck because you're making the same silent progress-killing mistakes, and you don't even know it's the effort that you don't have. Simmons' invisible killers are murdering your gains right now. Think about it. Those you show up, you sweat, you grind. You hit your chest day, back day, arm day, check, check, check. Yet your physique looks identical to what it was 6 months ago. Meanwhile, the quiet dude in the corner, the weak slight the appliement mode that goes into a mural, let's say that. Meanwhile, the first work below well is the little effort. Not individual, it's still being just an overyeared. There was quiet deformation your feed, your in, and your progress. Meanwhile, the quiet dude in the corner is the 6 months ago, and now you can see the little 2, it made me through. This is the where that gym bro is abrupt the moment away that they didn't for themselves, and you're stuck the light where the chet it. You're stuck would never figure out in the deathert that you weren't. Now the gym bros it never that they did something day, and if you're against quiet dude in the corner, the one who never talks, wears the same hoodie, and looks like he hasn't seen daylight since 2024, keeps getting bigger, leaner, stronger. It's not luck. It's not genetics. It's not genetics. It's not genetic. It's not genetics. It's not you're stuck because you're great with Wothertoo. It's not the amazing stead. He's just not making the mistakes you are. Mistake 1. Training like a collector instead of a builder, Mistake nothing the mistake that you brota in 4 genetics. Then you go to find the men mistakes instead the mistakely fart. Mistake 1. Training like a collector, they hoard exercises. Press, cable fly, dumbbell push-ups, all in one supplement. Muscle grows from progressive overload, not from stuffing your workout with every chest days no. Muscle grows from every chest days no. It's the member without muscle grows in not progressive. Muscle grows from progressive overload and their breathatly build a back. Muscle grows from progressive overload, not from stuffing your muscle and review that you work with muscle and done. Muscle grows from progressive overload, not from stuffing your muscle, and lifters trained the muscle and done with trained again. Muscle grows from progressive overload. It's the biggest guest into the muscle grows, and they watch the movements into the muscle grows. Most lifters trained like a collector instead of a builder. Muscle grows, not recognize the muscle and progressive overload. Most lifters train like a collector. They hoard exercises just from muscle and broughting gem. Muscle grows from progressive overload, not from stuffing your muscle. And then might you do know it's the main for down and glussive, and they're breathatly informally into the muscle. Muscle grows trained like a collector instead of a builder. Muscle grows get the movement that does have been forward by UX. Makes becoming the mistakes you are. Stuffing your workout with every chest exercise known to mankind. 5 sloppy movements will never beat 1 or 2 lifts done or 2 lifts. 5 sloppy movements will never beat 1 or 2 if it will stuff or no, it's done. 5 sloppy movements will never beat 1 or 2 everything into mankind. 5 sloppy movements will never beat 1 or 2 everything. 5 sloppy movements will never beat 1 or 2 everything. 5 sloppy movements will never beat 1 or 2 everything. Stuffing merch will never beat 1 or 2 lifts done with precision, consistency, and increasing load. Fix. Pick your core lifts. They look the 1 or 14 movement, and increasing load Fix. Pick your core lifts with the movement and write in the kaiser in the lift. Fix. Pick your core lifts with the movement and increasing load. Fix. Pick your core lifts with the movement and increasing load. 2 people can start the gym on the same day, but also complete your muxing believe them it they're alive. 2 people can fill up the gym in 24. There you the main start. One makes these mistakes and stays the same for years. The other avoids them and becomes unrecognizable in 12 months. Muscle isn't luck, it's strategy, it's discipline. It's avoiding the traps that drain your progress. Fix these 6 mistakes and your physique will transform. Now tell me, which one are you guilty of? Drop it in the comments. More importantly, drop it from your training. Your genetics aren't holding you back. Your discipline isn't holding you back. These mistakes are. Fix them and watch your gains explode. If this video saved your progress, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your future physique will thank you.